The Air Jordan 5 Wolf Grey is officially making its big comeback in 2026, and early detailed images are already building major hype in the sneaker community. While December 2025 Jordan drops are still rolling out, the upcoming January lineup is starting to take shape, headlined by this highly anticipated retro. Verified early pairs from GOAT reveal a build that stays loyal to the original release, featuring premium tumbled leather, smooth nubuck overlays, an off-white padded collar, and the signature translucent netting. Silver shark teeth accents and icy blue outsoles complete the classic look. Collectors will also notice slight updates, including a new block style 23 while keeping the Jumpman heel logo intact. For fans who missed the 2011 edition, or those wanting a fresh wearable pair, this 2026 retro offers a safe, modern option without aging risks. Mark your calendars, the Air Jordan 5 Wolf Grey drops January 10, 2026 for $210.